All right, what's up, boys and girls?
Hey guys, what's up?
With Jonathan Mercado here today with
Barry Nuzzo.
Barry Nuzzle. So a lot of you have actually spoken to Barry on the phone. When you call in, he picks up the phone. He's the guy that you have to give part numbers to because he's not as informative as
I'm
Ben.
not
and
that
I.
bad.
Well, he's getting there. He's getting there. I love Barry. Barry's a good guy. So, but what are we gonna call today, Barry?
Since Ben's not here, Substitute Friday maybe?
I think that's a good name for it. You need a wig though.
I rummaged through my daughter's stuff. I could only find colored stuff, so I didn't bring it in.
You should have brought it. Pink wig. Perfect. Would have been perfect. I would have like a Ben's flowing hair. But what's up, guys? So we're going to talk about a couple of things today. We've got this nice XK Glow display lit up here. So pretty much any order of $500 or more on XK Glow gets you this display, this exact display. So it's from now to the end of the month. Make sure you get those orders in. Talk to your sales rep. You do need a $500 buy-in. They do have a step up from this one for the $500 buy-in. And it's pretty cool because this can actually be, this is a full function display. You use your Bluetooth off your cell phone to control the colors. So you can show the customers the 2 different zones, multicolor, etc. If you spend $1,500 on one order, XK Glow will get you this display, a nice, I want to say mechanic shirt with
the button down
with XK Glow in the back, and some POP for your shops. So it'll be a good, good start for you guys to start getting into XK Glow. Next thing we want to talk about, you guys have all seen it. All these promos are in your email. Sony ES promo with the NASCAR event coming up in July. It's huge. As you guys seen, we have a picture. We actually blasted a picture out of the car. It's going to have mobile ES.
on the hood.
Yeah, on the hood.
Came out great.
The race choice. And, we're going to have a couple of ideas for that racing event happening in July at the Poconos. So stay tuned for that. Check your emails out for that. Next, we're going to talk about, Barry, I'll let you lead away.
So we got the new Bluetooth soundbars from Triton. They come in 3 different sizes. There's a 20-inch, a 27-inch, and a 36-inch. 4, 6, and 800-watt versions. Fully Bluetooth. These soundbars are ease of installation, 3 wires, that's it. We had one demoing for a company last week. I actually left my office to go see what was sounding so good. I couldn't believe that all that sound came out of this little box.
Yeah, these things are professionally tuned.
Waterproof.
Professionally tuned with the DSP. So I can think of a lot of different things you guys can do with this. Golf carts being
UTVs,
one.
ATVs.
Yep. Tailgating.
Tailgating,
For the guys that love to tailgate, think about this. Power ground accessory, and it's just 2 brackets mounted in the back, and you've got sound for tailgating.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of other things in your shops. Obviously, everybody has a 12-volt power supply. Use it as a sound bar for your installers
customers.
or installers,
Yeah.
so that they can have some audio while they're installing. Pretty cool piece. It is Bluetooth, and we do have it in stock.
They all come with remotes. They control the RGB as well as the track function.
Correct, and you can change the RGBs to different colors to match your mood. So definitely check it out.
And if you can't tell, that's pretty bright.
Yeah, very, very bright. Next thing we want to talk about is Spotlight of the Week. This week, the manufacturer of the week is going to be Raceport. Raceport does a bunch of unique things. We want to thank them for being a platinum sponsor at the MX 2022 show.
Yeah, thank you guys very much.
Thank you very much. You guys, your booth was busy, packed with a bunch of different lighting solutions. Want to talk about a couple of different ones. From the T-LEDs, which is one of your most popular selling LED lights, entry-level LED lights, very bright, 4,000 lumens each bulb. Easy, no ballast, plug and play.
Way better than the factory halogens.
Correct. So
way better.
Take a look at those. You are talking about 4,000 lumens, so it's much better than your dull 1,800 lumen headlights.
Yeah, it's going to be more of a white light than that yellow that comes from the factory.
Correct. They do underglow lighting. They do rim lighting. They do plug and play LED bulbs with the CAN bus cancelers for like Mercedes-Benz's, etc. They're very tight spots. These are almost like your OEM style. They do some rock lights, 6 light, 4 light, 8 light, RGB. They also include white in their rock lights, which not a lot of manufacturers do. So that's pretty cool. So you got red, green, blue, and white. So definitely check them out. They make
Light bars.
light bars, yeah. What else? Little accent lightings with little pods you can use, like an engine bay.
Flood spot cube lights.
Yeah, Jeep headlights with
Yep.
chasing rings around it. They make a ton of different products to fit your needs in your shops. So definitely want to say thank you, Racesport, for being a platinum sponsor at the MX 2022. I'm going to unbox one of your lights real quick, but we just want to say thank you very much. Check Racesport out for all your lighting needs. If you have an idea for lighting, they probably have a solution. I'm telling you, they have a lot.
Marine as well. If you guys have boats, wave runners, jet skis, anything like that.
Yeah, they do plug lights. I forgot that. They do plug lights, under spotlights. They do everything for marine. So they're pretty large vendor. So thank you very much. And then I want to talk about these new lights that they have. So these lights are called the Gen 4 LED conversion kits. These are 5400 lux per kit. It's 2700 lux for lights. A lot of people confuse lumens with lux. Lux is really the output of the light, the brightness and the shine of the light. So the more lux, the higher lux you have, the better and brighter you are. These are pretty cool because these are their new Gen 4. So let's think of Dodge Rams, newer Dodge Rams, where it's very tight to get a bulb in there. Well, these have these patented braids, which you can spread out like this and put it in the headlight, and these are your cooling fins. These like I said, 2700 lux, 4000 lumens. Does come with the CAN bus decoders. So think of, like I said, once again, Jeeps, anything Chrysler vehicle, Fiat. These are your CAN bus decoders. These things are true plug and play. Pop it in. You'll have a easy installation, and made by Racesport. Thank you very much, Racesport, for this. These are going to be the lights that we are going to be giving out today. So one lucky person that's watching right now is going to get a chance to win these today, on the live. And you ask yourself, how do you get into the drawing? Well, once again,
like and share.
Like and share.
Like and share, comment, everything.
Yep, like and share, comment. Also, all the people that attended the MX 2022 show in March. I forgot when it was.
April 6th.
Oh, April 6th. Jesus. April 6th.
Salesman of the year, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
I got a lot, so I apologize. You're automatically entered into this drawing, and then for every person that likes and shares this video and gives a thumbs up, maybe comments on it, we'll throw you also into the raffle drawing, and every week we're giving stuff away. So this week we want to thank Racesport for sponsoring the giveaway, which are Gen 4 LED conversion kits. And let's get the ball rolling. Who's going to be the lucky winner? Where's that cookie?
Is it the cookie, or do we get the pizza wheel?
I don't know, Barry. Come on over. Come on over. Let's see.
Oh, we gotta get.
Yeah, there you go. Wow, you are small next to me.
Did you have garlic for lunch?
I absolutely had garlic for lunch. It's coming out of my pores right now. Oh, we're spinning the cookie. That makes me hungry.
You got some milk?
Winner this week of the Racesport LED lights, the Gen 4 LED lights. Definitely give us some feedback on it. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Obviously these lights they're brand new, and want to see what you think about them. And if you guys have any questions about Racesport, please make sure to give your sales rep a call. Barry's on the horn. I'm on the horn.
All of us.
Unfortunately, Ben is on vacation. Lucky dog you. But enjoy your vacation, Benny. I know you're probably watching. And thank you guys for tuning in. Barry, anything you want to add?
No, just we want to thank again Racesport for their sponsorship for the show. And keep watching every week, guys. Like, comment for your chance to win.
Exactly. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend.
My boy Expo 2022, guys. I'm here with the Raceboard Lighting booth. I'm here with none other than Ignacio Ayala, inside sales manager for Raceboard, but the guys inside the industry, we know him as Papi Chulo. Bro, thank you for coming.
Man, I appreciate it, man.
Ignacio, tell me what's happening here. What's hot? What's new with the Raceboard?
So the biggest thing that we're talking about right now, man, is going to be wireless cab lights. Nobody likes to drill holes in roofs anymore. Nobody wants to run wire. Nobody wants to drop the headliner or do any of that stuff. Wireless cab lights, it's got a nice 3M adhesive on the bottom, so you're able to stick it on, show it some 3M promoter, call it a day. It's got a vibration, dusk and dawn sensor in there, so anytime it sends vibration, they stay on. It's got a nice solar pad on the top, so it's constantly charging at that point. We have them in amber now. They should be shipping out in the next week, and then we'll have a white version of this at the end of the summer.
Sweet.
Right? Why have to drill holes, man?
That's beautiful.
So
Ignacio, this doesn't go on without you guys. We want to offer you the Platinum Sponsor Appreciation Award.
Appreciate that, man.
We appreciate your guys' support. You guys, I mean, literally, I can call anytime. You pick up the phone. You'll text me back. It's amazing.
Yeah.
I want to thank you for your support.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Man, appreciate it. I love the show, man. It's always busy here. And if you're not here at the show, definitely recommend coming. Definitely recommend it. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it.